The other component of the pancreas is called the endocrine component. So here's the pancreas, and you can see here's the exocrine, the blue cells, if you want, and that's the pancreatic duct. They all kind of connect to the pancreatic duct that releases the important zymogens. Another component is the endocrine cells of the pancreas. And you see these pink group of cells surrounding a blood vessel. That means whatever they can release gets released directly into the bloodstream. And that's where really the important endocrine part or function of the pancreas. The hormones made in the pancreas can be released directly into the bloodstream, and as such, they can reach any tissue where there is circulation. And it depends on whether the target tissue has the right receptors, the specific receptors for the hormones released. So if there's insulin released, insulin travels in the bloodstream, is going to find its receptor on the target tissue and initiate its cellular effects by binding to the receptor. So the endocrine pancreas is what we're going to talk about today, and specifically we're going to talk about the different type of cells. Really, these cells in the endocrine pancreas are generally a class of cells called the islets of Langerhans. Okay? And again, they surround, it's not shown here, but they surround usually a blood vessel, so they can, or more blood vessels, to they can release their hormones directly into the bloodstream. There are 3 types of cells in the islets of Langerhans. The first one produces insulin, and these are the beta cells. And the second group of cells are the alpha cells that produce glucagon. And the third one is the delta cells that produce somatostatin. But for our purposes, our concern will be basically with the insulin production and glucagon production.